Well, there are benefits to living in the same city as a Amazon distribution center. I ordered this thing last night, and here it is now. So let's unbox this thing. Ta-da! And we have this immense, huge box, all for the sake of this tiny little thing. Well, I see it's packaged in the same cardboard envelope as the HD7s. Here we have the cardboard envelope thing. Kind of a clever trick, this package. I mean, it's nothing fancy. It's got the tear strip on the back. It looks just like, and it's got the hole for the hook. It's basically the sort of thing you'd see hanging on any electronics store, hanging on any store rack. It's demystifying. It's making it seem like an ordinary, inexpensive consumer level product rather than something super fancy and high tech like those expensive tablets. And we pull it out. We get the tablet itself. We get the little insert that includes the charger cable, charger plug, and the various little doohickey thingies. And we have the simple start out instructions. It's saying plug it in to charge it. But let's see how much of a charge it's shipped with, shall we? Just for comparison, here's my my old Kindle Fire 7, and here's the HD8. Well, let's see what the HD8 looks like when you turn it on. Well, it has a charge after all. %, of a charge. Welcome to Fire. It's asking me to pick my network. I just enter the password here. Here we go then. Checking for software updates. Downloading the latest update. Yeah, this could take a few minutes. Pretty nice right out of the box. I'm just going to look at the box here and see what it... Installing updates. Oh, it wants to know if I'm me. Yes, I am me. That's nice. And it's offering to let me restore my applications and so forth from my Fire. And well, it'll be interesting to see what this looks like given the extra stuff I've added to my Fire. Oh, it wants me to sign into my Amazon account. So it's going to install all the stuff I've previously installed to my old Fire, at least all the stuff it can from Amazon. It'll be interesting to see if that includes the extra stuff I added to the old Fire. If not, then I'll get to see if that instructional guide that I wrote still works. Anyway, I think that's enough for now. I will report further what it's like later on.